Hello and welcome to episode 13 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. First things first, the deck is totally done. Oh, except for the roof. We do have to have the roof put on there, but the deck is done. All the railings and everything is complete. All the way down, the stairs. We have some temporary furniture up here. We're not sure exactly how we're going to lay all this out yet. We had some fun stuff happen this week. Our tree fell, as you can see right there, went on the walkway of the dock. We're still able to step over it and get out to the boat and everything, which is why the boat is missing right now. My brother and his family are out there gallivanting around the lake, but now that the roots from that tree that fell were also kind of entangled in the tree that's next to it, and that's starting to lean as well. We have to get Dominion out here to chop up that tree since it is technically on their property. Another thing we got done this week was we finally painted all those chairs. We got some real wood chairs built, Top Knot Woodworks in Lexington, South Carolina here. Finally got those painted, put those out by the water, by the fire pit. So between the deck, oh, this contraption over here, we just had that built. That's gonna be like a porch thingy, something. We're not sure exactly what we're gonna do with that yet. I would love to have that screened in, just so we have a screened in place where you won't get eaten by bugs. But we still have to have the patio and everything, the cement poured. And we have painted inside the man cave. Call this the man cave because that's what it is. This is gonna be my husband's quiet, peaceful, neat setup here, but we got everything painted, so the trim and the walls, temporary furniture, but you know, we got the TV, so this is a nice place to come kind of chill, look out at the water, and got the office painted too. He's finishing up with some touch-up paint and the doors, but that's it. That's all we have going on for now. The downstairs, if you've ever seen the show Dexter, the downstairs looks like it is prepared for one of his scenes in Dexter. There's plastic everywhere, and they're gonna start doing some plumbing stuff this week. So we will be back with more updates. Hope everyone is enjoying their Memorial Day weekend.